my little piggies?
We could spend the day looking at nature.
Mummy Pig is ridiculous. Mummy Pig, let's watch a nature program.
One of the wonders of nature, birds.
Oh, lovely. Shush, shush, little birdie.
Oh, Daddy Pig.
Shush, shush, Mummy Pig. We can't hear our TV.
Goes drippity drip drip, drippity drip drip. Oh dear, where shall we get the money to mend the school roof this time?
Let's go gambling!
Good idea, Pedro.
Oh, dang it.
Madame Gazelle says it needs a lot of money to mend.
Yes, I'm sure it does.
She asked if somebody's mummy or daddy would jump out of an aeroplane.
Oh, I hope Daddy would do it, Peppa. Jump from an aeroplane. What? But I've never done it before. You'll jump from an aeroplane.
Mummy Pig, let's watch a nature program.
I'm still not sure I really want to do this.
It's all in a good cause.
Mr. Rabbit is the parachute trainer. This is a parachute. You are now fully trained.
Hooray! This is ridiculous.
You'll be fine.
Oh, we are a long way from the ground.
Oh dear, Daddy Pig
Is ridiculous.
I can't...
See anything?
Ah! Daddy!
Bull has just finished mending the school roof.
Lovely job. It'll last for years.